Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make soundboard sounds louder or quieter in your Discord. Let's begin. First open your Discord and over here click on user settings, scroll down, voice and video, left click on that. Then over here you have these options, select soundboard. Now the very first option is the soundboard sound settings. This is set over here at 100% by default. You can simply scroll this down to the left to make this a bit more quiet, or you just want in the middle ground over here. But normally I just want this to be 100%. Okay. Once you've made your changes, Discord will automatically apply those immediately. Just click close and you're done. You have successfully made the changes in your soundboard. I hope you found this video very helpful.